Since more than 90% of new purchases of goods and services, including dining and travel experiences, are made after looking at online reviews, it's more important than ever to make sure those reviews accurately reflect the customer experience you provide, which is now a key differentiator in how shoppers decide where to dine, what hotels to stay in, and where to buy things. Remember also that it's important to have both great reviews and a lot of them. It demonstrates to people researching the reviews that you are a vibrant, active business that offers great customer service and paints you in the best possible light against competitors that shoppers are comparing you with. So how can you impact what and how much gets posted on the public review sites like Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor? By using a feedback system that asks every customer for their feedback after each sale, meal, or visit. This ask is key to making sure you're meeting customers' expectations, showing how much you care about their perspective, as well as making them feel part of your community and sharing their experiences on review and social sites. While there are do-it-yourself tools available, and some email marketing software you may already use has survey functionality, a dedicated feedback platform like ours offers significant advantages and value. At pennies per transaction, the value of the time you or your staff saves over other options is real. Because it's a dedicated feedback platform and not built into email marketing software, it stands out to your customers as part of the overall experience you provide. You're demonstrating to them how important fulfilling their needs is to you. The survey experience is elegant and respectful of their time, while inviting and focused on hearing their perspective. Again, reflecting and perhaps enhancing your customer-centric business approach. The science and years of experience behind the feedback we ask for and how we ask it produces actionable results and is delivered to you in a way that lets you keep your finger on the pulse of customer satisfaction with minimal effort and, again, freeing up what is perhaps your most treasured commodity, time. The built-in communication tools makes it simple to be responsive to customers who are looking for attention, and we facilitate customers' path to leaving public reviews by asking them to do so and pointing them to the sites and social channels that matter most to you. Click the Learn More button and see how we've helped world-class companies and organizations collect and manage customer feedback for more than a decade. You can start a free 30-day trial to see how our feedback platform can help you be more connected to the customer experience and drive more great reviews.